We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favourite reviews, very inspiring. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.